crew inspector to Embark 928. Many seafarers and officers throughout the planet ask me, all means LinkedIn, social media, WhatsApp, and so on, how do I apply in Candina? Well, it's very simple. Just follow the link below, crew inspector. Then, if your CV is within our intranet crew inspector, we shall recruit and place you much faster. Why? Because clients asked yesterday, for example, Jose, we need 90 Cuba, Venezuela, Panama General Cargo crew, 90. Well, should them have applied, they would have gotten the job today. No, yesterday. Yeah, everything is for yesterday in Candina. Then, for example, we have another client that said, we want AB for 2.5 norm STCW, 2,850 euro net, raw tax experience, little Italian. On top of that is Italian social security, unemployment, pension, and so on. Then, should you have applied there, we would have given you a job for perpetuity. Now, imagine if we had 500 ABs done and 90 Latinos done, and so on. So, if you want to have priority, please fill in the crew inspector format, because Candina needs your CV to be sent faster to the clients. If we have to fill in your CV, then that will take a little longer, and there will be another competitor taking that job. Same as us, we perhaps will be losing that opportunity. So please, help us. We all must row together and fill in the crew inspector so we go much, much faster. Yeah, and let's do it for yesterday. Thank you.